In this time of providence, heaven is calling us to draw closer to the heart of our true parents. This June, you are invited to the very first Heavenly Asia Pacific 21-day Spiritual Growth Workshop, hosted at the sacred grounds of International Peace Leadership College, Tanay, Rizal, Philippines, from June 13th to July 3rd, 2025. Youth and members from across the Heavenly Asia Pacific region will unite for one purpose: to deepen our relationship with Holy Mother Han, and inherit her heart of true love. Expect a transformative experience through
그렇다면은 특히 너희들, 영성 수련을 받고 있는 젊은 너희들은 영계와 하나 돼서 천일국 완성의 걸림돌이 될 수 있는 것은 다 정리해야 되겠다. 어떻게 정리하는지는 너희들이 알 거야. 천심원 정성을 통해서 영계가 역사할 수 있도록 만들면 되는 거야. 그렇게 자부심을 가지고 행동하여 신통일 한국을 이루자.
This is more than a workshop, it's a calling to inherit the legacy of our true parents and become leaders of Haojong culture in our nations. Heavenly Asia Pacific presents the first 21-day Spiritual Growth Workshop at International Peace Leadership College, IPLC, Tanay, Rizal, Philippines, June 13th to July 3rd, 2025, open to all youth and members of the Heavenly Asia Pacific region.
Register now.
Let us come together to deepen our hearts, unite as one family, and offer joy to our beloved Holy Mother Han.